For its time, the R9 280X was an ultimate graphics card for 1080p gaming. Can it still hold up in 2019? Let's find out. If you guys don't know and you are new here, I have a Discord dedicated to viewers that are looking for some advice or maybe just looking for some mates to play some games with. I have the perfect Discord for you to join. The link is in the description. Click it, go say hello, introduce yourself. I'm there literally every single day. So if you want to talk to me, hit me up in the DMs, slide in them DMs and say what's up. But we'd really like to see you guys over at the Discord. And yeah, come hang out. Let's get to the actual video. Hey guys, how you going? Welcome back to another video. Finally, we're getting back to another graphics card review. Here today with me, I have the R9 280X 3GB WindForce OC edition. This graphics card was an absolute beast. It was smashing any game at 1080p, and I also believe it was also dipping its feet in 1440p. So today, we're gonna put it to the test and see how it performs on Overwatch, Fortnite, and Counter-Strike at the highest settings I can get it. But with great performance came a ridiculous amount of power consumption. This card right here consumes about 250 watts just under gaming load. That's in my books. The recommended power supply for this graphics card was 500 watts at the minimum, but I have a 650 watt because I don't want to blow anything up. The power connectors you need is a 1x6 pin and a 1x8 pin PCIe connectors. On this specific model, it had a DVI-D port and also a HDMI port, so it could only handle 2 monitors at once. Another thing to know about these cards, as well as the high power consumption, they came with a very high temperature straight off the bat. Most models hitting 70 degrees or above. These cards are powerful, but extremely hot. Secondhand, I've noticed that you can get these for around $70 to $80 on the local market and maybe about $90 on the eBay market. Just look around. I personally wouldn't pay more than $70 for one of these cards. I was lucky enough to get it off the guy for $45, so that was a ripper of a bargain. I took it up and yeah, here it is. With that said, we'll be cracking out Clifford again for his first run on the first graphics card test. If you don't know Clifford, he's my secondary streaming PC, and I built him the other day. If you guys want to go check out that video, it was a hell of a good video, okay? That's all I'm gonna say. But if you guys don't know what the test bench and the components are, I will run through them right now. The CPU is a Ryzen 5 1500X, and it's at stock clocks. I'm not overclocking it. I want to see how pure performance is without any boost. Cooler is just a standard AMD Wraith Spire cooler, nothing special. The motherboard is an A320M HDV R4.0. RAM is 16 gigabytes of 2x8 gigs sticks, and their LPX Corsair Vengeance RAM at 2400 megahertz. Power supply is a 650 watt Gamdius Astrape M1 RGB 80 plus certified PSU. And the case, even though it's not that important, it's just a Thermaltake H17 Versa case. It's a little micro ATX case with a couple of red LED fans for the extra frame. Do you know what I'm saying? With that said, let's go and do the cleaning of the graphics card, put some new thermal paste on it, and let's boot up Clifford and run some test benches. Let's see how we go. I'll see you guys in a second. Thermal compound I'm using is the Phanteks PHNDC thermal compound. If it would autofocus, please. There we go. I got it for like $3. All right, with that said, let's unscrew this biatch. Alrighty, so let's do the temperatures. So first off, I'm going to show you what the fan speed actually went to. I left it on auto. It spun up to 40%, which is what it's at right now. It is kind of loud, but these kind of cards are known to get pretty loud anyway. But to start off, ignore that ridiculous TMP 6 and 8 temperature. It does this with everything I test. But the motherboard hit 51 degrees on specific parts and 40 degrees on others, not that important. The CPU hit 52 degrees maximum. There's my hard drive, 27 degrees, and then the R9 280X hit a max of 71 degrees at 40% fan speed. I wouldn't recommend putting it at 100%. It gets super goddamn loud. Like, it sounds like a vacuum. But yeah, there's the temperatures for now. I was enjoying playing Overwatch a bit too much, so I got distracted. But anyways, on to the end of the video. Let's go. Alrighty, so basically to sum this video up, if you can get your hands on an R9 280X or even an R9 290 or 290X for like under $100, I recommend not spending more than $70 on a 280X model. But if you can get them for $70, $60, $50, you are set. You've got a very solid 1080p gaming graphics card. It's a really good performing card. If you can deal with the noise, or you get a noise dampening case, that would be the way to go. But honestly, you pair this up with a decent 4-core or 6-core CPU and you have got yourself a really, really solid 1080p gaming system that should last you for a little while if you're not planning on upgrading to 1440p. I wouldn't doubt this graphics card can play specific games at 60 FPS, 1440p. I probably wouldn't recommend it. I'd probably go to like a newer card, but honestly, me getting this for $45, absolute steal. This card is still a beast in 2019, and I think it will be for a few more years, especially if you're playing esports games. But honestly, I'm wrapped about getting this for so cheap. And if you can get one really cheap, let me know. I want to see if you guys can get any cool deals like I did. If you guys did enjoy the video, as usual, leave a like, support the channel. If you guys are new here, drop that sub. I'd appreciate a subscription to my channel. We're going for 200 subscribers. We've hit over the 100 mark, so let's keep it going. I appreciate you guys watching the video and taking time out of the day. Hopefully I entertain you to a certain extent or even help with some information you were wondering about this specific model. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I will catch you in the next tech video. Have a good day, guys. Take it out. Take care, Garnier.